Do you want to create realistic rigid body and soft body simulations in Blender? From destruction effects and mechanical systems to soft body deformations, these physics tools can bring your animation to life. In this course, you'll learn how the Blender's rigid body and soft body systems work and how to use them in practical projects. Hi, I am Mustafa from MK Graphics. Welcome to Blender Physics Masterclass, Rigid Body and Soft Body course. We'll start with fundamentals of rigid body simulation. You'll learn how collision work, how to control mass, friction, damping, collision shapes, collections, caching, and many other important settings. We'll also explore rigid body constraint in detail, including fixed, hinge, slider, piston, spring, generic, and model constraints. These tools allow you to create realistic mechanical systems and physics-based animations. After that, we'll move on to soft body simulation. You'll learn how to create deformable objects and control stiffness, damping, plasticity, self-collision, aerodynamics, solver settings, and much more. The goal of this course is not only show you what each setting does, but also help you understand why and when to use it. Throughout the course, you'll complete several practical projects. We'll create a realistic barrel crushing simulation, soft body character animations, a collapsive wall using rigid body physics, mechanical systems powered by constraints, and other hands-on projects designed to reinforce what you have learned. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of Blender's rigid body and soft body systems and confidence to use them in your own projects. Thank you for checking out the course, and I hope to see you inside.